Hello everyone. I hope you're well, and I hope the semester treats you well, and I hope you're excited to join your new semester. And yeah, with that, let's dive on to how to use StudIP, how you can register for your courses, where do you find StudIP, how do you register for your exams, how can you re-register for your exams, and so on and so forth. So, the first step would be you have to go to Clausthal website. Then you have to scroll at the bottom, and then you see the portals. You have to click on the StudIP where you will see this page. This is your login page. Click login, and then you have to write your credentials. As I am a frequent user, so mine are like auto-filled, and thus I go to the login. Now, we'll go through each of the icons and each of these functionalities one by one. So starting with, as soon as you log in, you're already in your start page. In the start page here, you will see some side menus. Here are your announcements. These are your some quick links. We'll go through them one by one. So announcement, what is announcement? Announcement is anything that it's like a notice board. You remember in your school or in your bachelor, university or anything like that, whenever any department or any activity they're trying to happen in the university, they will post it on the announcement. Your heavy jobs, I mean part-time jobs, sports activities, any workshop, anything. We have a plenty of things happening in the university around, so you can find all the information in the announcement. Then you scroll down, you see your planner timetable. Here, whichever course you will be enrolled in for the coming semester, you can have a look into that. As nothing is happening over here, so I cannot talk more about it. Then activities, you can see whoever your peer or your colleague is doing what from this activities page, as in what your professor is posting, what's a new announcement, who is taking which course, who is deleting which course, and so on. This is activities. Now, notice board is again like the announcement page. Here you can see all sorts of lost and found information, EV jobs, searching for any lost stuff or anything like that. So all these things you can post here. So this is the basic dashboard of the StudIP. You can also customize it according to you. You have certain of these links, whichever you want to use it, you can use these through actions. Okay, so from actions you choose any of these. So you, let's say you add this questionnaire, you add it to your list, and then on your dashboard you will see this questionnaire. Similarly, you can remove this by just clicking this, and then you can remove it from your dashboard. Whichever of these important things you think it's useful for you, you can have it. Then uh yeah, so these two are done. I will come to this one a little later. Then you have courses. So from here you can change your semester, and according to like winter or summer semester, the courses that you are enrolled in or the courses you want to study are reflected on your portal. Here, this one is called as blubber for public chat for your particular course. These are like number of participants. As you can see, 244 participants. These are the files that any particular course have in it. Then these are any new information. This is for the schedule. This is for wiki. This is I think this is for forum. And as you click here, you can sign out from the course. It will look something like this. If you say click yes, you will be out from the course. But I want this course to be with me, so I'll press no. Then let's say, okay, so these are like the courses that will be normally showing on your course list, course page. And then these entries are those where, let's say you are on a waiting list. So as you can see, I'm in a position 11. So that's why this entire section is moved upwards. Now, over here, you can see if you click mark all, red. So the red thing that was shown here in the beginning, it's now like there's everything that you have read already. So yeah, that's for that. Now changing color, you can choose which color you want to have for individual courses. For example, I choose this as yellow, this is red, this is orange, and let's say I keep save. So see here, You can see the color differences over here. This one was blue and this was so and so. This one was, I mean, this one are the colors and these are the blue in color. Then add a course. So you can find your course from here, add it to your course, and that's it. You're done. You can create your own study group with you can write the name of your study group, you can write a description, who do you want it to be accessible to, you can have these things, you can agree it, and then you can continue it, and thus you can create your study group from here. Okay, so then okay, you have a normal view, like a standard view for your course structure. You can choose it according to the fields. For example, in Institute for Software System Engineering is providing this course for this semester, winter semester 2021. That's why the courses are now according to the institute. Type meeting, tutorial. So again, you can choose to view your student IP on the basis of teaching, tutorial, and lessons and exercises. It's for that. Then you can group. Then again, group the one that you colored already to your groups. It can be seen according to that. Now lecturers, you can look into your courses according to the lecturer course list. So let's say Mohammed Aboush Mohammed is taking software system and engineering. Yeah, that's it. And this is, I like to keep it standard because I'm very familiar with it and I find myself comfortable. So that's why I like to have this as in my courses. Then my study group. I don't have any study group, so that's why it's empty. Although I can create one, but yeah, I have other sources. Then my institute. So again, I have not been allocated, but of course, you can search the institute and do all the playing here. Messages. These are all the information from your professors about exam, about your tutorial, about your lecture schedules, this, that, everything you can write. See over here. You can send also the messages or emails. You can write from here, you can delete from here. You can write over here. It's a normal email syntax. This is for to who you want to send it. What's the subject for your message or email? Write your message, submit it, attach your document to it. And similarly, delete is just delete. I don't want to delete anything. So just click on this and then delete. Your message will be deleted. Okay, then this is community. You can see we have a lot of conversation in all the courses that I've taken so far. We can put all the queries, doubts, whatever we have in the respective course groups and get our problem solved from here. You can check who is online here. As you can see the time as well when they were online or offline. Then you can see your contact list. You can find your study group from here, or not yours, but like in general, how many study groups are here. Not sure of this stuff. Now, profile. You can see your own profile over here where your personal information is shown. For example, your email, what's your status as. It can be tutor, student, or a professor, your matriculation number, the announcement posted by you, and other things, whatever you have posted it, you can like review it from here. Planner, it's a general planner. Like, for example, in my winter semester 2021, I was enrolled in GPU programming. So that's why on Monday, it shows GPU. On Tuesday, I have nothing. On Wednesday, I have this button bank. And so then on Thursday, I have nothing again. Then on Friday, I had the simulation. I had software system engineering. I had some optional exercises slot for GPU programming. Then Saturday, Sunday is free again. So this was my planner in general. I can add new entry from here. Okay, I can change the color, I can make it all the formatting from here and have it according to me. I can change the view from here. I can show you the hidden courses. Let's say, for example, if I hide this one and I want to show it again, so this is for that. You can print your planner. You can change the size. I like to keep it large because it's more visible, so large is like that. Then search menu is general. If you're looking for some courses, you can search it from here. For example, big data. curricula. It comes like this. Summer semester, like this. Okay. Now, similarly, you can look for courses, person, institute files, data, everything you can use like a normal search bar from here. Then tools. If you want to create any announcement, if you want to create any course, and you want to create any profile, you can use all these things to create the announcement. Files. Whoever has, like for example, files are the lecture note or anything like that that a professor or you want to add into it, create, you can do it through files. Notice board is again the notice board. I mean, you can see how many EV jobs are there, how many practical arbeit are there, how you can see lost and found stuff, and so on and so forth, right? You can also create your own uh, notice if you need anything like that and post it. Then coming back to these things, as I've walked you through all of these options, similarly, for a very fast access, you can use these site quick links. So, for example, if you want to go to my course, you straight away go here. Let's say you don't want to waste your time, you want to add your course, just add it from here. And then so on. Similarly, for create a study group, it will be like, again, this page as I've shown you already. Then messages, you will be again in this message place. The mail messages inbox that you have received, the one that you've sent so far, you'll see those things. Again, it's everything the same. Then community, again, community was a community where you can see which of your friends or colleagues or in general people who is studying in Clausthal or is a part of Clausthal. You can see all their status of online, offline, who is using at the moment. Then who is online is the same thing. Yeah. Then my contact. Who is in your contact? You can see your contact list. I have only two, lol. Study groups. Again, whoever had created whichever study group, you can see it from here. Then your profile. Again, you go to your profile directly. So again, I'm repeating the same things over and over again. So here are the quick links. You can like have an access to these things very quickly. And yeah, that's the overall functionality of the StudIP. Hope this helps you. And yeah, welcome to the new session. See you. Bye bye.